Welcome back, my beauty squad. If you're new, it's your girl Jessica. So in today's video, I have a little mini haul. And when I say mini, I mean mini. So stay tuned for that. Plus, I got my add-ons for BoxyCharm, my last little add-ons. I want to show y'all what I got. I didn't get much of anything, so I'm just combining them two. I've been doing really good with my shopping just because we're trying to move and everything, and so I haven't been able to splurge like I want to, but it's okay. It's really okay. Yeah. So if you would like to see what I got in my mini haul and BoxyCharm add-ons, stay tuned. And if you're new and you still have that word down there, subscribe red, it should be gray. So make sure you click it. Turn on that bell if you like hauls like this, giveaways, how-tos, tutorials, unboxings, anything and everything to do with beauty. Plus, I want to start doing some vlogging and also some spoilers. So if you like stuff like that, please subscribe. It would mean the world to me, and it's free, and you help your girl out. And I really hope you enjoy my content. And if there's any suggestions you might have, shoot. I'm open ears. I'm always open to try new different videos for y'all. Whatever y'all are enjoying at the moment, I'm here for it. So let's jump into this video. I hope to see you over in the video. Yay! You decided to stick around. It means the world to me. Thank you so much. So, what would y'all like to see first? Let me show y'all my add-ons, being it's only two. So, I could not pass this up. I couldn't. I passed it up the first round, and then I went back at the end and saw that they were still there, and I was just like, yes. This is Sigma brushes. I've never owned Sigma brushes. I think I might have like one that I got from Ipsy or BoxyCharm a while back. Maybe one. I don't know. But I've always wanted to try them. I wanted to see what the hype of it was because I know Sigma is a very good brand. Very expensive brand, but it's a good brand. So I got the 5-piece for $24, I think, I want to say. This is the Sigma Accurate Highlighter Brush F56. I guess you're supposed to put the highlighter right here. Right here. No, wait, it's like right. I would use this more for contouring, to be honest, just because I like the angle of it, and it hugs my cheek right there. So, yeah. I loved how unique this brush was. That was one of the reasons I wanted that collection. Because they had another one. It was a little bit more expensive. But I like that one. I really did like that one. Okay, get on this side. Man, you're not behaving. Yeah, the only one I have close to this is something like this. And this is more smaller, of course, than that. So, I'm really excited. All right, it's in there. Then we have Keeping Up with the Face brushes. They have 2 face brushes and 3 eyeshadow brushes. This is the Sigma Round Kabuki F82. So this would be a really good brush to put your foundation on. It's very dense. And just push that bad boy into your skin, or even like put powder and kind of rub it in. I don't tend to use a lot of brushes for my foundation just because I use my Flawless brush for my foundation, but I'm not obliged to it. I need to try it because I know practice makes perfect with them. And then my last 3 brushes that came in this order was the Sigma Shader Inner Corner E46. I do not have no brush like this. It is absolutely gorgeous. And so you just shading right there. Perfect for that. So I don't have to technically use my little pencil brushes anymore. I can use this one for that. Because I tend to use my pencil brushes a lot for that. Alright, so a lot of my brushes gotta go back. Most of y'all know I just got out of the hospital with a baby. And I haven't had a chance to really unpack yet. So that's why you see a hot mess over here. And I've got like my favorite brushes in this little bag that I took with me to the hospital. And I didn't even film. Like, what a joke, right? But I got discouraged because the first day that I was able up to filming was whenever we got moved out of my room. We got moved into hers. And I was going to film. I already had to work. And I got everything set up and realized I didn't have my brushes. I left them in the truck. So I was like, smart, Jessica. Smart. I mean, I had everything set up. So from there, it just kind of went downhill because I was discouraged at that point. And I was like, whatever. And then we had to make sure she was doing good with eating. And, you know, she took up most of our time, which newborn babies do. And I love it. I'm loving Miss Felicity in 2 pieces. She is a doll baby for sure. I couldn't ask for a better child. All my kids are really good. That's one thing I can say. I have really great kids. And Luna has been awesome with her, which is really good, and I'm really proud of her. Okay, make some room. Alright, next is the Sigma Small Tapered Blending Brush. This is an E45. Look at that angle, y'all. Perfect for right up in there. Blending all that out. Awesome. Then this one is the All Over Blending Brush, E37. And this is to blend all this out. I like whenever they have names or numbers, just because if y'all would like to go get the same brush, it's easier for you to find because you know what you're looking for. Other than that, I don't really go by the rules of them. Like, just because they say this or that, I don't care. You know, I always break every rule in makeup because there's no rules. Remember that. Then I got the Hip Dot sponges because I didn't get them in my box, of course. And they're supposed to be color changing sponges. And so they feel really good so far. I like these. I don't really use these as much, but I like them to have them. So you can like pat out your concealer and all that good stuff. And then just for your foundation, what have you. I do plan on doing a review on them. See if they actually change colors when you get them. Then onto the box. Y'all want to see what this is? Y'all want to know what this is? This is my NARS order. I got an email, a text, email, one or the other. And they had a special going on. Look how cute this is. And it's just freaking adorable. Like, I'm loving the packaging. If you spent like $75, you got 4 items free. And I've been dying to try the new Nars Foundation because I absolutely, absolutely love my NARS foundation. As you can tell, like, as much foundation as I got, none of my foundation should look like this because I've got quite a bit of foundation. I love, next to eyeshadow palettes, of course, is my foundations. Is what I love buying. I love trying out new foundations. This right here looks really, really, really small, but if you size it to one of these, this, you only get 1 fluid ounce. I know. This, you get 1.5 fluid ounce. Okay, thank you. Tell her thank you. So, you actually get more product in a smaller container, which is cool. I cannot wait to try this. I got it in the same shade as my other one. This one actually looks a little lighter than my other NARS. I don't know. Nah, about the same. So, I get Santa Fe. It's M2. And this one is, it don't say on the bottle. So it must be saying. And I love the matte finish. Like, it's, oh, the cap feels good. Medium 2 Santa Fe. Let's see. Ooh. I don't want to waste it. That's what it looks like. Really good color. I think I did good. Which, I mean, I was hoping it was the same. Sometimes they're not. Just because it's the same brand doesn't mean it's going to be the same shade, of course. But I kind of went off with the other one. Then, they had a special. You get this and you get the concealer cheaper. Because I do know that these retail for $49, and I got a couple dollars cheaper than that, because I just combined them. Their foundation does last 24 months. The concealer also lasts 24 months. Does the old one last 24 months? Yep. That's cool. So this is the Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Light 2.5. I've never tried a jar concealer, but that's what it looks like. Sorry if you hear my kids. They're being extra loud. I'll put it right there. But I'm really happy. I've heard really good things about this concealer, so I'm excited to try it. Then I got the Orgasm Mini Eyeshadow Palette. And when I say mini, guys, y'all, this is freaking stinking cute. Stinking cute. I don't like a lot of small eyeshadows, like singles and stuff like that. Or they have them a little bit bigger. But I've kind of started appreciating small ones, too, because you can pack them. If you're going somewhere, they're easy to take. You ain't got to have big, bulky packaging. But look how gorgeous this packaging is. Like, NARS blows it out the park for the packaging. And then these shades, guys. This palette was only $25. You get 1 matte, 2 satins, and 3 shimmers. Yeah. And they are called Full Moon, Wild Child, Maximum Pleasure, Papaya, Dangerous Girl, and Subdued. Let's swatch a couple, because I've never tried any of NARS eyeshadows. So I'm really, really excited to try some. Look at the pigment. And for $25, it's not bad, because you get to try out the formula, see if you like it. 1 or 2 small palettes are not bad. I'm terrible at swatches. I barely dug in it. I just want to see, but it's gorgeous. Stay tuned for that review. I plan on doing like a all NARS. Other than, I don't have the primer. I don't have mascara. Yeah, I don't have mascara. I thought I added it on as a smaller, like as an add-on for your sample size, but I guess I didn't, because it's not in here. Okay, then for the 4 items that you got for free for ordering, these are it. I got the mini blush in Orgasm, which is freaking awesome, because I've been wanting to try this. I've heard really, really good things about it. I mean, I've heard some people say, too, they didn't really care for it. So I guess it's like a hit or miss. Like, either you like it or you don't. But, again, the packaging, this small-ass packaging is just so stupid cute. Look how little. Look how little. Like, this looks like this should be, like, Luna's makeup, right? But look at that blush. That's what it looks like. I heard it, yeah, it's very shimmery. Pretty, very subtle. I don't know why I smell it. But very matte feeling as well. Like, I'm loving the packaging. So that's that one. Then you also got a mini eyeliner. The eyeliner lasts for 36 months, which is really awesome. Longer Than Life Longwear Eyeliner. If anybody's wondering which one. It's just a pencil. That's what it looks like right there. Yay. Can't wait. Can't wait, can't wait. Then you got a mini lip in Toulouse Satin lipstick. Probably not saying that right. So I'll show you what it looks like. Focus. It's not gonna focus it. Sorry, it's not gonna focus it. But again, the freaking packaging is so cute. It has the word NARS right in it. Look at that shade. It is a very beautiful everybody shade. Is the only way I can describe it. Like, it's universal. Very universal. Then you got a American Woman Power Matte Liquid, Lip Pigment. And this is an American Woman. Stay away. American Woman. Listen what I say. Don't come on my door. Face no more. That's what the little tofu looks like. Oh, these actually look really good together. Oh my goodness. Look. This will be awesome in the middle and then this on the outside just to like ombre it out. Let's see. Okay, the lipstick ain't too, it's still transferable. But they are stinking adorable, right? Like, oh my goodness. This really does look like some of Luna's makeup. Or something you would want to get Luna for makeup because it's so small. I ain't got time for that. And last but not least, this was my sample gift. And this is an American Woman as well. And I'm going to give it to my BB when she comes over. Because I don't think she's tried anything NARS. So, there's no reason why I need 2 samplers. I'll put that right there so I don't forget to give it to her. But yeah. That's my little... When I say mini haul, I meant mini haul. Legit mini haul, right? Oh, I'm going with that. My mama steals all my bubble wrap. Like, all my bubble wrap, guys. I hear Miss Felicity crying. Jasmine must be making her mad. But I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for sticking around and checking out what I got. Like I said, I haven't been ordering a lot. I just, with everything going on, new baby needs new stuff. Not only that, we're in the middle of trying to move as well. So, trying to save up here and there when we can. And if that means cutting a little back on my makeup orders, it's fine with me. It's sacrifices for the family, and at the end of the day, family is way more important than makeup any given day. It's still a little bit transferable, but it is drying down. And yeah, so, it's a give and take in any relationship, any home. And I know that eventually I'll be able to get back out there and buy some more, but for right now, I'm being married. I'm gonna kick at Bobby's butt. That was the second time she's called in. She's probably like, what in the heck are you doing? I didn't call her back before I started filming. But I love y'all, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut it short so I can call her back. Yeah, beautiful shades. Stay tuned for that review. Stay tuned for all my other goodies coming up. I still got a crap load of eyeshadow palettes I've got to try out that I'll put back for the hospital. And then at the end of the day, I didn't get to film it. So that's coming soon as well. I love y'all, and until the next video. Peace.